Good morning, class 5th. We are going to continue the chapter 2, Understandings Windows 10. Okay. In our last class, what we have done operating system. What is operating system? Examples of operating system. Features of Windows 10. About Cortana, I have discussed. Snap Assist, we have done. Multiple desktop, we have done. Okay, now the next is taskbar. What is taskbar? It is at the bottom of the screen. Okay, first point is it is at the bottom of the screen. It consists of number 1, start button, search box, task view, button notification, area, notification button, and peek button. Okay, yeah, at the middle of the taskbar, open and frequent use application. What we find? Open and frequent use applications at the middle of the taskbar. Yeah, here we can see the picture. What we are having? This is a taskbar. The black color line is, this is the taskbar. At the left, what we are having? Start button. This is the Cortana. For searching purpose, we can search anything on Cortana. Here we are having open and pin programs. Okay, the application currently open in our system. The middle part of the taskbar will show those applications to us. Okay, now this is the notification area. From this arrow, we will click on this arrow. We can see the notifications, all the notifications, time and date. This is a notification whether our system is having antivirus or not about the system. We will having notification, and this line is called pinned area. Okay, yeah, see the screen of my laptop. Okay, at the bottom, this is the taskbar. This whole is the taskbar. Here we can see the start button. This is the start button. Search button, we can search anything. We can type here anything and we can go for search. This is Cortana search. This is task view. These are the application which are currently open in my systems, or the pinned application which I use frequent. Pinned means which the application which I use frequent. Okay, जो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ application, those application will be at the mid of the taskbar, or the application which are currently open. Like this presentation is open in my system. These folders are open in my system because these are having this line below these applications. Okay, now this is a notification. This message box we can see here. This is the notification. On this arrow, see this arrow, if we click on this arrow, yeah, we can see many application and many notification like voice, Bluetooth, a network connection, anything we can see here. This whole is the taskbar. Now the next topic is icons. What are icons? Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and applications. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means we understand each command by picture. Like this is the icon of this PC. PC means personal computer. We can see the picture of personal computer here. So this icon is named as this PC. What this PC application or icon consists of? This consists of a view of available drives. In our system, we are having many drives, C drive, D drive. All these things will be available in this folder, and their content stored on the computer system. In each drive, we store some data. The whole data will be stored in the computer only. Okay. Now the next icon is Microsoft Office Word. If we will click on this icon, what will happen? The Microsoft Word will be opened. This is the application tool. These are the graphical images that give you quick access to the related application. Okay. Now here we can see the icon of this PC. We can see that this icon of this PC, just double click it on. Yeah, Just maximize it. What we are seeing here? We are seeing here 2 drive, local disk C drive, and this is D drive. 2 drives I am having in my system to storing data. Okay, this was the icon of this PC. Yeah, next are shortcut icons. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. This arrow, you can see this arrow on this icon. Yeah, अगर हम ऐसा arrow देखते हैं, it means that is a shortcut icon. This application is in some another folder, but shortcut हमने इसका desktop पे या कहीं पर बना लिया है. ठीक है, तो using that shortcut we no need to go to that particular folder to open this application. We will just go on desktop, we'll just double click on it and it will get open. Okay, next is document icons. These are the active document. Window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. अभी हमने taskbar पे देखा था, the mid part of the taskbar contain the application that are currently open in my system. So this is that thing, the application, those are currently open in our system. We will see how. This is network icon. It allows you to access the shared file or devices on different computers in a network environment. अगर हम किसी सिस्टम के साथ कोई फाइल शेयर करना चाहते हैं, किसी डिवाइस को ही शेयर करना चाहते हैं, then we have to use this icon. Okay, yeah, this is my desktop. Yes, these are the many icons we can see. This PC we have discussed. This is a network icon we have discussed in our presentation. Now these are the shortcut icons we can see. Yeah, we can see the arrows, the black arrows we can see. It means these are shortcut icons. These are not on the desktop. These icons or these applications are in another folder, but we have created the shortcuts of these applications here on desktop so that I can easily use them. Okay, these are called shortcut icons. Now the last is recycle bin. This is, can see like a dustbin. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that hold the deleted files or folders. कुछ भी सिस्टम में डिलीट करते हैं, कहाँ पर जाता है वो? इन रिसाइकल बिन. फ्रॉम रिसाइकल बिन वी कैन रिस्टोर दोज एप्लीकेशन अगेन. हम वापस से अपने सिस्टम में वो चीज़ें डाल सकते हैं जो हमने डिलीट किया था फ्रॉम द रिसाइकल बिन. फॉर सम स्पेसिफिक टाइम दोज एप्लीकेशन जो हमने डिलीट किया है वो रिसाइकल बिन में रहता है फॉर सम स्पेसिफिक टाइम. आफ्टर दैट टाइम वो परमानेंटली डिलीट हो जाता है फ्रॉम रिसाइकल बिन टू. ओके, next topic is live tiles. About this topic we will read or we will study in next video. This is the icon of recycle bin. Here we can see, yeah, this is the icon of recycle bin. I'm just going to open it. Okay, I have opened it. There are so many files. We can see many files. These files I have deleted from my system, but these files are in recycle bin for specific time. We can restore these files again in my system by right clicking on it. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Watch my video carefully and properly. If you have any doubt or any question, then you can ask me anytime.